Hello guys, welcome to another session. In this session, we are going to look into how to get and set the attribute of HTML element using JavaScript. So let's jump into the Visual Studio Code to get our hand dirty. So let's discuss about what exercises we are going to perform in this session. So this is our HTML page, and this HTML page contains 4 images, that is the social icon for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube. If I will run this, then you will find the output like this. So see here, the output of the HTML page is something like this. So what we are going to do in this exercise? In this exercise, we are going to grab all the images and we are going to change the Facebook image using JavaScript with the help of get attribute and set attribute. So let's proceed further. Now let's go to the JS file, and here we need to specify first constant all image reference. We are going to grab all the image reference and we need to tell that how we can grab it. You remember that? Exactly. We are going to use the query selector all, which we have already used, and we need to specify the image class. So what image class we are having? So we need to take the image over here, and here you can specify that, but I will suggest that you can use the image tag. So here I have grabbed all the image tag like this. Now let's look into the output. That means what attribute it contains. So how we will do that? We need to specify all image ref, then for each, and now we will create a callback function over here. We will specify image, and here we need to iterate it, and we need to specify over here console.log, and here we need to tell that I want image and the attribute. There is a method called get attribute. Which attribute I want to access? The source attribute. So I need to specify source over here, save it, and let's look into the output, what output we are getting. Then you will find over here it has returned the source of the image. So now the next step, this is our first step. We grab it. Now we want to change the Facebook image. So how we can do that? This is the first element. So let's look into that, how we can do this. So here we need to specify all image ref, and the first element is the Facebook image, and here I need to tell that set attribute. So this set attribute, we need to specify which attribute which we want to set, source, and here we need to specify the new source. So I will tell that image, and I am having a new Facebook image over here. So I need to specify facebook-new.png. Now save it. Now let's jump into the browser to see the output, and this time you will find that it has replaced the image. So what was the earlier image? I can show you once again. If I will comment this one, then we will see the applied image. So this is our earlier image. Now I will uncomment the line which I have commented, and here I will remove the comment, save it. Now let's jump into the browser to see the output, and then you will find that it has replaced the source image with the new source image. Now let's proceed further. So in this session we have seen that how we can grab the attribute. So this way you can grab any of the attribute for any of the element. The only thing you should make sure that you have to select the element which you want to grab the attribute. So you need to specify, and then you can get the reference, and after getting the reference you need to take the attribute with the help of get attribute method, and then afterwards if you want to change something at runtime, you can use the set attribute, by which you can provide the which attribute you want to change. You need to specify over here along with the values which you want to apply to that particular attribute. In our case we have applied the new source image. So on this note I am stopping over here. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care.